Hi all. In this video we are going to see how can we take a screenshot in Selenium. So sometimes you have to provide evidence, right? Whether a particular test case has passed or failed. So we have to take screenshot in that case. Okay. So it's mandatory to take screenshot just to prove whether a particular test case has passed or failed. So how can we take screenshot in Selenium? So let me go to Eclipse and I will create a class file under this package. So I'll name it as take screenshot demo. So what I will do, I will copy the code from the first script where actually we are launching browser and we are navigating to the application under test. Okay. So for taking screenshot, what we have to do is we have to take the help of text screenshot interface. Okay. So I'll write here take screenshot. So I'll write here takes screenshot. I have to give one reference variable src sort. Then I'll write here takes screenshot driver. Okay. So if I do mouse over, I will get option to import this particular interface which is coming from org.openqa.selenium package. And here I have done typecasting as well. So I will write here file src file is equal to, I will use this reference variable src sort dot get screenshot as. So we have to call this method get screenshot as, and here the output type will be a file type. So output type dot file. Okay. So I have to import this file class which is coming from java.io package. Now in my local system I have to save my screenshot somewhere, right? So I have to give one destination. So what I can write here, file dest file is equal to new file, and here I can give the path or the location where I want to save my screenshot, right? So what I can do is I can create a folder here and I'll name it as screenshot or screenshots. Okay, finish. So I have created a folder in the root project folder. Okay, so I will go to properties and I will take this path. Okay, and give it here, and you can give any screenshot name. Suppose I'll give here Google page dot png. Okay, so now I have to copy the source file to destination file. Okay, so I can write here files dot copy, so source file to destination file, right? So that's it, and it will throw one exception, that is IO exception, and it has to be handled. Okay, that's it. So let's run this script and check whether it is working as expected or not. So I will save this and I will run it. So we have navigated to Google application, and I think it has taken screenshot. Let me refresh it, refresh the project. And yes, we have got our screenshot here, if you see, right? So we have got our screenshot. But what if I want to capture a screenshot with date and time, right? With date and time. Because next time if I run this script, because I have already taken the screenshot with the name Google page, right? So next time if I run, then obviously it will throw error because screenshot has already been saved with this name. So what I can do is I will create a separate function here. So I'll just write here private string get current date and time. Okay, so it will return new simple date format. Okay, so simple date format is a class. It has to be imported, which is coming from java.text package. So I'll just give your dot format. And here I can call new date. Okay, and what format I want? I want it like this: dd mm y, then hh mm ss. Okay, that means date, month, year, hour, minute, and second. Okay, and this date has to be imported, which is coming from java.util package. Okay, so I'll make it as static so that directly I can call it. Okay. So this time what I have to do is I just have to call this method with this. Okay, so I can write like this: Google page underscore. I'll just call this method get current date and time dot png. Okay, so this time we will save the screenshot with date and time. Let's see. Again, I will run this script, run as one Java application. So if I refresh the project, if you see, this time we have saved the screenshot with date and time. But what if I want to pass the screenshot name as a parameter, right? So what we can do is we can create one more function here. So I'll just write here private. So I'll give your uh, like take screenshot. Okay, and here I will pass string screenshot name. Okay, and I'll copy everything from here, or like cut everything from here, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so here what I can write here is we know the path. Okay, so I'll just write here this variable we have to take screenshot name. Okay, then I will put one underscore, then get current date and time, right? And I have to make it as private void private static void. Okay, so now whenever I just have to take screenshot, all I have to do is I just have to call this particular method. Okay, so I'll write here, so take screenshot of Google homepage. So I just have to call this method take screenshot, and I have to give one name, right? So I'll name it as a Google homepage. That's it. Okay. Okay, it has to give the IO exception. Okay, so now I have called this method take screenshot method. Let's run the script. Okay, so let me refresh the project. See, I have taken screenshot with date and time, right? So this is how we can take a screenshot in Selenium with date and time. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching this video.